Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm so excited, I've got a letter from Toyota. It looks like from Toyota. I'm pretty sure they want to congratulate me on doing such a great job with this Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel, right? Hopefully. But this is for me, but here it says urgent Takata Airbag safety recall. Uh-oh. And here it says 2005 Toyota Sequoia. Uh-oh. Well, let's go and see what is in it. Alright, I guess it's an urgent airbag safety recall. Dear Peter, the airbag in your 2005 Toyota Sequoia is defective and under an urgent airbag safety recall. Oh yes, so my hopes are gone. I thought they will congratulate me, and this is completely different. Please do not wait to schedule your free repair. Who says the things are not for free anymore? This is free. So, defective airbag parts can explode, shooting sharp metal fragments at drivers and passengers. This can cause serious injury or death. You need to complete free recall or repair as soon as possible in order to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Well, oh, look. The repair is free and there will be no other charges. The repair can be completed in about an hour for most models, depending on your dealer's schedule. Free loaner vehicles are available. That's awesome. Your dealer may offer free vehicle pickup and drop off. That's wonderful, that's a good service. They will come, pick up your vehicle, repair it and bring it back. That's wonderful. Please inquire when scheduling your repair. Our call center is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Saturday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. EST. You can call this number to schedule the free repair. Sincerely, Toyota Recall Resolution Team. So these are clear instructions from them, right? Here is 2005 Toyota Sequoia VIN number recall ID. Now what if you have a wrong address on your registration and you didn't get this letter and you may be eligible for this recall too, right? Well, if you log or if you go on ToyotaUSA.com, right, Toyota.com here in the United States, there is a section where you can check for the recalls, open recalls, I believe they call it, and you just need your own VIN number, right? VIN is that super long number, it's on your vehicle or it's on your title or registration. So you will enter your VIN and you can immediately find out there if you are eligible for possible recalls on your vehicle. And I guess I will not call or text this number, I will just call my local dealer, which is here fortunately only like 4 miles from my shop, and I will have this VIN number ready for them and I will schedule this recall ASAP. I'm calling regarding that Takata Airbag safety recall, which is for Toyota. I was wondering if I can schedule it with you or I should talk to someone else.
Do you have the VIN number handy on your vehicle?
Absolutely.
Alright, the Honda or Toyota?
It's Toyota.
Toyota. Got it. What's
The VIN?
No, yeah, hang on a second. Wait, you're ready for your VIN?
Yeah, it's a 5.
Go for it.
5. Well, okay, I will start once again. Number 5, then T as a Tom, D as a David, Z as a zebra, T as a Tom, S as a Sam, 2, 4, 8, 6, 4, 9. Yeah, it's a 2005 Toyota Sequoia.
Alright, let me get the stuff up for here. Hang on.
Thank you. You see how it works? Yeah, you just call the dealer. And look, good I called. I didn't expect that the 2005 Sequoia, which I bought a year ago, had any recalls. I never checked. Well, guess what? The guy on the phone said, oh, it looks actually we have multiple recalls for your vehicle. He said, I will order the parts. That's the first thing. When I know when they will be here, I will schedule you probably for the next week. That works pretty good, don't you think? Well, as I said, I hope you enjoy this video, you find it helpful, and please make sure you are subscribed. I have a lot of videos coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.